Welcome to the Panama City Farmers Market. We are every Saturday, 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. at McKenzie Park in historic downtown Panama City. We'd love to invite you guys to come out and enjoy your award-winning farmers market. We were Best of Bay 2021 and 2022. And also this year in 2022, we were voted as America's favorite farmers market, 16th in the nation, 2nd in Florida, and 2nd in the Southeast. We'd love to come, have you experience the community love, support local with us, bring your family, bring your friends, bring your pets, and come out and have a great time with us. We can't wait to see you guys.